Article number 2, Identifying Lucrative Niches. Artificial intelligence, AI, brims with possibilities, yet not all opportunities are equal. Identifying the right niches is critical to harnessing AI for income generation. This article will guide you through uncovering profitable avenues where AI can thrive. We will explore market research techniques, analyze current trends, and pinpoint gaps in existing services or products. By the end of this article, you should feel empowered to make informed decisions about which niches to pursue. To start, understanding market research is essential. It's not just about looking at what's popular today, it's about anticipating what will be relevant tomorrow. Various tools and resources can help with this process. Websites like Google Trends allow you to see what people are searching for in real time, while platforms like Ahrefs provide insights into keyword performance and competition levels. When examining trends, consider both macro and micro factors. Macro trends encompass large-scale shifts that affect entire industries, think sustainability or remote work, while micro trends focus on specific behaviors or preferences within a niche market. For instance, as more businesses shift online due to changes in consumer behavior following global events like the pandemic, there has been an increasing demand for AI-driven solutions that optimize e-commerce operations. Next comes recognizing gaps in existing services or products, a key aspect of finding a lucrative niche. A gap represents an unmet need or an area where customer dissatisfaction exists due to inadequate solutions provided by current offerings. Identifying the gaps often requires thorough competitor analysis and examination of what others are doing well and where they fall short. Consider a case study involving fitness applications powered by AI technology. The fitness industry has numerous apps catering to various demographics, from casual gym goers to serious athletes, but many fail when it comes to personalized experiences based on individual user data, such as health conditions or lifestyle choices. Creating an AI-driven platform that tailors workout plans specifically for users' unique needs, while integrating dietary recommendations based on their eating habits and preferences, could fill this significant gap. After identifying potential areas ripe for disruption through AI innovation, it's worthwhile exploring several sectors known for their responsiveness to technological advancements. Healthcare. From telemedicine solutions powered by chatbots, capable of diagnosing ailments based on symptoms shared with patients online, to predictive analytics tools, aiding hospitals in managing patient inflow, healthcare remains one of the most promising arenas for AI applications. Education. The rise of e-learning platforms leveraging adaptive learning technologies allows educators to customize lessons according to student performance metrics, which leads us to another significant opportunity area within education, creating individualized learning experiences. Finance. Robo-advisors have already transformed investment strategies, but there remains room within fintech for further innovations, utilizing machine learning algorithms that predict stock movements or assess creditworthiness more accurately than traditional methods might allow. Real estate. Automated property valuation tools using historical data analytics assist buyers, sellers alike by providing fair market assessments without requiring extensive human intervention. Marketing and sales. Utilizing predictive analytics software helps companies understand consumer behavior patterns better than ever before, while automating lead generation processes yields substantial benefits across marketing campaigns worldwide. Travel and hospitality. With travel recovering post-pandemic restrictions gradually lifting around the world, AI-powered itinerary planners offering personalized recommendations based on user interests present excellent opportunities here too. Retail. Personalized shopping assistants that utilize natural language processing via chatbots engage customers seamlessly throughout their purchasing journey, not only simplifying transactions, but also enriching the overall experience tremendously. Once you've narrowed down your choices based on interest level, coupled with identified needs within these sectors, the next step involves validating your ideas further through surveys, polls targeting prospective clients, and directly asking them how helpful they'd find particular applications surrounding those concepts discussed earlier. You may also want to consider testing out minimal viable product, MVP versions prior to launching fully fledged projects. This will allow you to gain valuable feedback before committing significant resources to larger initiatives. Ultimately, choosing promising niches isn't merely a matter of random success. It demands strategic thoughtfulness, grounded solidly upon thorough investigation, backed up by facts, data, supporting decisions made ultimately leading toward fruitful endeavors, yielding $100 daily returns, courtesy innovative applications, leveraging artificial intelligence effectively. In conclusion, remember this foundational principle whenever embarking on new ventures utilizing technology, such as AI. As long as the ever-changing landscape continues evolving rapidly around us, it becomes paramount to remain adaptable and responsive, continuously honing skills and knowledge, keeping abreast of the latest developments, ensuring longevity and successful future pursuits ahead.